Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the second part of narration change. So without further ado, let's start the video. First we will start with some examples. The man says, I am lucky. In indirect speech, the sentence will become, the man says that he is lucky. The man said, I am lucky. The man said that he was lucky. She said, I bath for 1 hour every day. In indirect speech, the sentence will become, she said that she baths for 1 hour every day. The teacher said to the students, the sun rises in the east. In indirect speech, the sentence will become, the teacher told the students that the sun rises in the east. Here, that is the connector or linker. Now, you must be wondering why these changes are happening. So here are the rules for you. I want you to pen things down. First, notice the change in pronouns. If I is in subject pronoun, I will become he or she. If you is in subject pronoun and in singular form, you will become he or she. If we is in subject pronoun, it will be converted to they. If you is in subject pronoun and in plural, it will become they. If me is in object pronoun, it will become him or her. If us is in object pronoun, it will become them. If you is in object pronoun and in singular, it will be converted to him or her. If you is in object pronoun and in plural form, it will be converted to them. If my is in possessive pronoun, it will become his or her. If our is in possessive pronoun, it will become their. If your is in possessive pronoun and in singular form, it will be converted to his or her. And if your is in possessive pronoun and in plural form, it will be converted to their. These will be converted into that. Here will become there. Now will become then. Ago will become before. Come will become go. These will be converted into those. Today will be converting into that day. Tonight will become that night. Tomorrow will become the next day. Yesterday will become the previous day. All these things will be converted in past tense. Here is the change in tenses. Simple present tense will be converted into simple past tense. Present continuous tense will be converted into past continuous tense. Present perfect tense will be converted into past perfect tense. Present perfect continuous tense will be converted into past perfect continuous tense. Simple past tense will be converted into past perfect tense. Past continuous tense will be converted into past perfect continuous tense. And in simple future tense, if there will be shall or will, it will be converted into should or would. But remember one thing, that the reporting verb will always become in past tense. Only then these changes can be possible. Now let's choose a verb, write. If write is in simple present tense, it will be converted into wrote. In simple past tense, is writing will be converted into was writing. Have or has written will be converted into had written. Has or have been writing will be converted into had been writing. Wrote will be converted into had written. Was writing will be converted into had been writing. Shall or will write will be converted into should or would write. Said to will be converted into told. Said will remain said. Say to will be converted into tell. says to will be converted into tells. Here are some examples of affirmative sentences. The first one is, the little girl said, I want this dress. It will be converted into, the little girl said that she wanted that dress. The little girl says, I want this dress. It will be converted into, the little girl says that she wants that dress. Mihir said to me, I will pick you up at the airport. Mihir told me that he would pick me up at the airport. Priya said to his friend, our tuition class is closed today. It will become, Priya told his friend that their tuition class was closed that day. Ronita said to me, you are sick. Ronita told me that I was sick. The teacher said the earth is round. The teacher said that the earth is round. It is universal truth, so no change will be occurred. They said we wash clothes every day. They said that they wash clothes every day. This is their habit. So this is basically habitual truth. So in this case also no change will be occurred. Rahim said, I shall go out and play. Rahim said that he would go out and play. He said, I want to go to home. It will be converted into, he said that he wanted to go to home. Now let's see how we will be converting indirect speech to direct speech. You said that you would visit the place that day. It will be converted into, you said I will or shall visit the place today. Today we have discussed the narration change in affirmative sentences. That's it for today. I hope you found this video helpful. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye.